To take a picture, load up your map and type sv_cheats1 bot_kick noclip r_draw_viewmodel0 and cl_drawHUD0. This will let you fly about your map with no distractions and without anything on your screen. If it still shows some of the HUD, type cl_drawHUD1 and then cl_drawHUD0 again and it should fix it. Also make sure that cheats are on. If you'd like to fit more in from a certain spot, you can adjust the field of view. Type FOV into the console and choose this command. By default it's 90 degrees. Smaller values will show less, more will turn the game into Quake. It's a powerful tool and you can achieve some pretty weird results. Try not to overuse it. Finally, to take the picture, either use print screen or Steam's built-in F12 command. The quality seems quite decent. Taking pictures to represent your map is more difficult. I would suggest looking through the workshop and seeing which pictures stand out to you. They will normally be ones with both bright and dark areas and a good mix of colour. Looking through the official maps, you'll find that most showcase an impressive building within the level, or a distinctive part of the layout. I like the way that trains' barrels stand out. Not too fond of this one, as there's too much sky and not enough map for my liking. But hey, that's my opinion. Show the pictures of your map that you take to other people and see which ones they prefer, and why. Remember, months of hard work can be wasted if you don't represent it properly with a single picture.